Imagine owning a vehicle packed with cutting-edge features you've never heard of. That's the 2026 RAV4 for 99% of owners. But not you, not after this video. We're uncovering 7 hidden capabilities that transform how you drive, park, and interact with your SUV. A 30-minute charge time, smartphone control over parking, technology that continuously evolves, premium interiors that shocked even industry experts. If you own or are thinking about getting a RAV4, you need to know about these features before anyone else does. Let's go. 1. Revolutionary full electrification. Toyota has made a bold and decisive move that signals the company's commitment to a sustainable future. The 2026 RAV4 will only be available as a hybrid and plug-in hybrid, marking the complete elimination of traditional gas-only powertrains from the lineup. This isn't just a minor adjustment, it's a fundamental shift that positions Toyota ahead of regulatory requirements and consumer demand for cleaner transportation. The standard hybrid system represents a significant leap forward in efficiency and performance. Powered by Toyota's advanced 5th-generation hybrid technology, the system combines a refined 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with sophisticated electric motors. The result is impressive: 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive configurations and 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive, representing substantial power increases over the outgoing model that translate to better acceleration and highway merging capabilities. But the real game-changer is the plug-in hybrid variant, which showcases Toyota's 6th-generation VHEV technology. With 320 horsepower and 50 miles of electric range, this system represents one of the most capable plug-in hybrid setups in the compact SUV segment. The addition of DC fast charging capability, a first for Toyota's PHEV lineup, means owners can charge from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes, bringing convenience levels typically associated with full electric vehicles to the hybrid world. 2. Bold design evolution. The 2026 RAV4's design philosophy embraces diversity with 3 carefully crafted design themes that cater to different lifestyle preferences. The core design language featured on LE, XLE, and limited trims emphasizes sophistication with paint-matched grille elements, refined body cladding, and elegant wheel designs that appeal to urban professionals and families seeking understated luxury. The rugged theme takes outdoor capability seriously. Exclusively available on the Woodland Grade, this variant features a distinctive split black grille design, genuine Rigid Industries LED auxiliary lighting, and a 0.5 increase in ride height that enhances both approach angles and ground clearance for serious off-road adventures. The rugged aesthetic extends to specialized wheel designs and protective body cladding that can handle trail duty. The sport design theme encompasses SE, XSE, and the all-new GR Sport variants, each bringing aggressive styling cues that hint at enhanced performance capabilities. The functional matrix grille isn't just for show. It actively manages airflow for improved aerodynamics and cooling. Combined with sport-tuned suspension, 20-inch wheels, and distinctive spoiler elements, these variants deliver a dynamic presence that matches their enhanced driving dynamics. 3. Arene software platform. Perhaps the most significant technological advancement is Toyota's introduction of the Arene software development platform. After more than 5 years of development, this revolutionary platform powers the multimedia system's cockpit voice agent, center display, and advanced safety technology, representing Toyota's transition towards software-defined vehicles. The interior technology experience has been completely reimagined around user interaction and convenience. Every RAV4 now features a standard 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that provides customizable information displays and crisp graphics. Higher trim levels receive Toyota's new generation 12.9-inch touchscreen that processes commands significantly faster than previous systems while supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity for seamless smartphone integration. The Arene platform also includes advanced data tools that collect and analyze driving information with driver consent, enabling over-the-air updates that continuously improve the vehicle's software capabilities. This means your RAV4 will actually get better over time, receiving new features and improvements long after purchase. A smartphone-like approach to automotive technology that keeps the vehicle current throughout its ownership lifecycle. 4. Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. The RAV4 becomes the first Toyota model to receive Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, powered by the Arene software development platform. This represents a quantum leap in active safety technology with enhanced hardware sensors and artificial intelligence-driven detection capabilities that provide more comprehensive protection than ever before. The system introduces front cross traffic alert, a critical safety feature for urban driving scenarios where visibility is limited at intersections. The pre-collision system has been significantly enhanced with improved cyclist and pedestrian detection algorithms that can recognize and respond to a wider range of potential collision scenarios, even in challenging lighting conditions. Lane Change Assist represents Toyota's step towards semi-autonomous driving, providing automated highway lane changes when activated by the driver. Perhaps most impressive is the remote parking feature, which allows drivers to maneuver their RAV4 into tight parking spaces using smartphone controls, a feature that's particularly valuable in crowded urban environments where parking precision is essential. 5. Premium interior transformation. Toyota has directly addressed previous interior criticisms with a comprehensive cabin redesign that emphasizes premium materials and thoughtful functionality. The new interior features significantly softer touch surfaces, genuine aluminum and wood trim options, and available soft tex or Brin-Nab micro-suede seating that provides both durability and luxury appeal. Noise reduction has been a major focus with acoustic glass installation and additional insulation materials throughout the cabin structure, creating a significantly quieter ride quality that rivals premium luxury SUVs. The cargo area maintains the practical 37.5 cubic feet of space behind the rear seats, while adding thoughtful touches like integrated tie-down points and a standard 120-volt power outlet for camping equipment or power tools. The GR Sport variant takes interior sophistication further with sport-specific design elements, including red stitching accents, aluminum pedals, and specially bolstered seating designed to provide enhanced support during spirited driving while maintaining long-distance comfort. 6. Enhanced TNG platform. While maintaining the proven TNG platform architecture, Toyota has implemented significant structural improvements for 2026. Reinforced chassis mounting points and updated suspension attachment locations improve overall handling precision and reduce road noise transmission. The GR Sport variant receives exclusive GR-tuned suspension components, a stiffer chassis configuration, and summer tire fitments that transform the RAV4's dynamic character. The PHEV system incorporates advanced silicon carbide semiconductors that improve electrical efficiency while reducing heat generation. The strategically positioned underfloor battery pack lowers the vehicle's center of gravity, providing enhanced stability during cornering and highway driving, while maintaining the RAV4's renowned ground clearance for off-road capability. 7. Competitive pricing with US production. Despite comprehensive upgrades across all systems, Toyota has maintained competitive pricing that positions the RAV4 favorably against key competitors. The hybrid models start around $32,000, while FHEV variants begin near $44,000, pricing that aligns closely with the outgoing generation while delivering substantially more capability and technology. Production is moving to Kentucky, which eliminates potential tariff concerns while ensuring faster delivery times to US customers. The 2026 RAV4 is expected to go on sale by the end of 2025, positioning it perfectly to compete with the latest hybrid versions of the Honda CR-V and Kia Sportage. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 represents more than evolutionary improvement. It's a revolutionary step that establishes new benchmarks for the compact SUV segment. With complete electrification, advanced software integration, and enhanced capability across all variants, Toyota has created a vehicle that meets today's needs while anticipating tomorrow's demands. Which of these 7 revolutionary features excites you most about the new RAV4? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comprehensive automotive insights and analysis.